Hello guys. Now guys, in order to understand the selenium, or we can say that in order to understand the how selenium works, we just need to first understand test ng. Okay, so what it is, test ng, what it is all about. So I just want to show you guys a graphical representation about it. Okay, so we just need to first understand this thing, that what is test ng. Okay, test ng. So guys, test ng is stands for test next generation. What it stands for? Text next generation. Okay, it stands for text for next generation. And basically guys, it is a framework. Okay, it is a framework. So what it is a basically a framework. So I just need to select another to highlight the points. It is a framework. So okay, we all know this thing, it is a framework. Okay guys, but why we need this framework? Why there is a need that we want this type of framework? Okay, is there any need why we want this type of framework? Is there any need? Yes guys, yes. Now just understand this thing very well guys. For TestNG to build a framework, there are two units. You have seen that guys, there are two units. Okay, first and second. First unit is your, what it is, J unit. Okay, or second is your N unit. Okay, second is your N unit. Okay, it is inspired. Okay, these are the unit testing frameworks guys. These are the unit testing frameworks. Okay, what they are, these both are unit testing frameworks. Okay, these two are, we can say that. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, these two are unit testing frameworks. Okay, unit testing frameworks. Unit testing frameworks. Okay, so there are some limitations and all guys. So within inspiration, okay, because guys, you have already seen that unit test is performed by a developer. Okay, but for a tester, it is mandatory to re-ensure that the unit testing done by a developer, okay, is it right or wrong? Okay, we are there, we are the people who gave you the quality assurance. So in order to give you the quality, there are this TestNG framework is made. Okay, basically guys, this TestNG framework is an open source unit testing framework. Okay, this is a unit testing, it is an open source guys, very important guys, for your Selenium certification. These are very important terms. Okay, it is an open source framework guys, open source. Okay, open source unit testing framework. Okay, open source unit testing framework. Okay, you just need to understand this thing, what it is, unit testing framework, which enhance the, what it enhance features features of N unit and J unit. Okay guys, in your interview question, your interviewer might ask you this thing guys, why there is a need for TestNG framework. Why? Because we are having N unit and J unit, which is done by a developer. So for a quality management perspective guys, it is your duty to re-ensure that whatever it is, guys, whatever testing related thing, you are gonna take the charge. Okay, you are accountable of each and every situation. So that is why, guys, J unit and N unit are not that much compatible, but this open source TestNG framework will help you to enhance the features of N unit and J unit so that you guys are also able to do the unit testing. Okay, we guys are able to do the unit testing. Guys, just understand this concept. We are in the automation stage. Okay, we are not in this manual testing stage. We are in the automation stage. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so basically, guys, these are for N unit, but guys, not only for unit testing framework. Till now, enhanced feature, what it means by enhanced feature, guys, it means that I just need to create a box first. Okay, what are these enhanced feature? I just need to first create a box. What are the enhanced feature, guys? I just need to focus upon that, and you just need to focus upon the same. Okay, what are the enhanced features? First enhanced feature, that it is do unit test. Okay, this is all you have aware of. Second, guys, it will do the integration test. Guys, very important, integration test. Does integration test done by a developer? No, guys, we are the one who can do it with this enhanced features. Okay, third one, end-to-end test, guys. End-to-end test. Okay, so these are the three features that you need to understand first, guys. What are those? First, unit tests. Okay, it will help you to do unit tests. Second is your integration test, and third is your end-to-end test. These are the very important things that you need to understand first. Okay, guys, I hope you get an idea, guys, how the things work, how the things you can able to relate that what capabilities these TestNG framework will give you. Okay, first it is unit test, integration, end-to-end test. Okay, these are the enhanced features of your TestNG. Okay, second thing is it is a framework which is inspired of JUnit and NUnit. These are the unit testing tools done by a developer. Basically it is developer, guys, because we are the quality assurance. Earlier it is done by us also, but right now we are not doing that thing. Okay, we are just making ourselves compatible with the technology. Okay, so these are the framework techniques. Okay, in the next section we'll see more details about it. Okay, till then, guys, you know what it is. Happy Selenium.